Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do subscribe, comment, share and like my video. In today's video, you guys, I have a hair review. This hair, it is from Celie hair. Is it Celie or Celie? I don't know, you guys. In this hair we have some goodies. As you can see, guys, I'm showing you guys some goodies. This hair, it is 18-inch and it is 13 by 4. I bought this hair, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of a price, and also I got this hair from AliExpress. They didn't give me this hair. It's not a sponsored visa, you guys. Sorry. It is not a sponsored video, so I'm gonna give you guys my honest review on the hair. Really love the hair. It is soft and I love it. And also, you guys, the hair comes very fast. It was a 15-day delivery, but I got my hair it came into my house 16 days later. So I'm just not mad, because it was late only by 2 days. And first time installing a full frontal wig. I tried, you guys. I really tried. I'm used into closure wigs. I have never ever in my life installed a full closure wig, you guys. It was my first time. So yes, there are a bit of mistakes in this video, and you're gonna see them, especially with measuring my, where I'm gonna cut my hair, where I'm putting my glue. I have a very small forehead, so that is why you see I'm putting my glue on top of my hair. So I didn't want the wig to be close to my eyebrows. So yeah, you guys, you can go ahead and watch me install this beautiful wig. And yeah, we'll talk at the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like my videos. You can go ahead and tag Celie hair so that they can give me free hair next time. The link of this hair will be in the description box down below. I did ask the vendor to send me the link of this unit of this hair, so that you guys can just click the link, and then you can just, to make it easy for you guys to buy the hair. So I asked them to send me the link, so they did. So I'll put it in the description box to to make it easy for you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and watch the video. Okay guys, so now we are on the final look of the hair. As you can see, you guys, I tried my best, and also you guys, you can see the wig cap underneath. You can still see the wig cap underneath. I'm happy with how I did, and also it was my first time. Don't forget that it was my first time. I watched a lot of videos before I installed this hair, you guys. I'm so happy. The quality of the hair, it is amazing. Yes, it does have a little bit of shading, but it's just a normal shading. So yeah guys, this is the look. I'm so disappointed I couldn't do a middle parting. I'm gonna use my mannequin next time to do the middle parting, or I'm gonna do it off camera. Bye guys.